Welcome to the Z feed, the Zazzle product feed, where you can start showing your products on your website in 3 easy steps in under a minute. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a very simple web page where you will be able to add products from a store. You can see we just have a logo and a little heading here. Step one is to copy one line of HTML, and I'm going to get this from our integration page. And you can see, although Zfeed can fit on any website, we do have some additional specific instructions for some of our more popular platforms that Zazzlers use. I'm going to scroll down to the code snippet. I'm going to copy that code, and I'm going to switch over to my HTML editor here. And step two is to paste that code, and here we go. It's basically a script tag, and you can see there's a place to put our store ID. I'm going to put this Disney store, and we'll leave it at the number of 12 items to show. So I'm going to save that. You might need to publish or deploy the changes on your website, but I've saved that. I'm going to switch back to that website and do a refresh, and voila, there you go. We have some products. This is retrieved from Zazzle in real time, so the product information is always fresh. And as you can see, it's responsive. It looks good on tablet and mobile sizes. So there we go. 3 easy steps in under a minute. And if we mouse over, we can see in the bottom your referral ID, and I'll click through on one of these products and it takes you to the Zazzle store. And up here in the URL bar, you can see it has my referral ID to collect those ambassador fees or cross-link referral IDs, referral fees. And that's it. 3 easy steps in under a minute. Now let's take a look at a couple other examples. I'll try a horizontal slider and a collection ID and even a search. And I'm gonna go to our Wix integration page found on our website where we have specific Wix integration steps. We have some of those for Shopify and other popular platforms. But the important thing I want to show you here is some of the other examples. And here's a horizontal slider with 5 columns, and it does pick a holiday collection. Here's that code sample. Here's a 4-column 8 max little Disney grid here. We have some beach wedding invitations with 3 columns, so the cards are a little bit bigger. And then down below we have some that have 7 across. Just so it's very flexible. You can configure it how you want it. But I want to grab the code sample from the slider here, where it has a collection ID and the strip. All right, so I've copied that. I'm going to go back to our HTML editor here. I'm going to paste that right in here. And you can see, let me get our code formatted cleanly here. You can see we have a collection here. The data limit on this one is 20. We do have a heading and a subheading, and we specified 5 across in the initial slider here. I'm going to do a copy paste here. You can see we can have multiple feeds on the same page. I'm going to do a search here. Let's search within the Marvel store. Let's take this one down to 8. I'm going to add the data attribute search here. And let's search for some birthday cards within the Marvel store. And let's give it a little heading. Data heading Marvel birthday cards. All right, and let's save that. Go back to that page and refresh. And you can see it just pulls them right in. We got the horizontal slider here. We got the Marvel birthday cards. And it's that easy. So be sure to Click that like button and subscribe to see our future how-to videos and new features. Add your Zazzle products to any page in minutes with just one line of code. Try it now at z-feed.com. Thanks for watching.